Using automation for repricing, restocking, and listing optimization is essential for staying competitive and profitable in online arbitrage. In 2026, successful sellers don't just rely on manual adjustments. They build automated systems that react to market changes in real time, keeping their business efficient and scalable. Let's start with repricing automation. The buy box is where most sales happen, and pricing strategy determines who wins it. Manual repricing used to be time-consuming, but now AI-powered tools like Aura, BeCool, and SellerSnap automatically adjust your prices based on competition, demand, and profitability thresholds. These tools let you set rules. For example, never go below 20% ROI, always match the lowest FBA seller, or increase prices when your competitors go out of stock. The system then monitors listings 24/7 and updates prices instantly, ensuring you stay competitive without sacrificing profit. Next, restocking automation. Running out of stock can kill your momentum and hurt your ranking. Tools like SoStocked, Inventory Lab, and Restock Pro track sales velocity, seasonal trends, and lead times to forecast when and how much inventory you should reorder. These systems analyze historical data to predict future demand so you can plan purchases ahead of time. Advanced setups can even trigger reorder alerts automatically or send purchase requests to your suppliers when stock levels reach a certain threshold. This reduces guesswork and keeps your cash flow stable. Automation also plays a major role in listing optimization. Product listings are your storefronts, and AI tools now make them smarter. Software like Jungle Scout's Listing Builder or Helium 10's Scribbles uses keyword analytics to automatically optimize your titles, bullet points, and descriptions for better search visibility. These tools analyze customer search trends and suggest phrases that increase your organic reach. AI image recognition can even evaluate your product photos, recommending changes for better click-through rates. Combined with A/B testing tools, automation helps you continuously improve listings based on real buyer behavior rather than assumptions. The key is integration. The best sellers connect all these systems so data flows seamlessly. Pricing, inventory, and listings all communicate with each other. For example, when your inventory runs low, your repricer can automatically raise prices to maintain profit margins. When new stock arrives, your listing optimizer can refresh keywords to target new trends. With AI and automation managing daily operations, your role shifts from operator to strategist. You spend less time reacting and more time planning growth, launching new products, expanding to new marketplaces, or refining sourcing systems. The secret to scaling in 2026 is building automation that works intelligently. Let your repricer protect profits, your restock system manage inventory, and your listing optimizer boost visibility. When all three work together, you create a business that's fast, adaptive, and ready for the future of e-commerce.